What's the matter? What you barking at? Mr. Furley. Let him do his work. Mr. Furley. Mr. Furley, sit down. Sit down. Come here, baby. Yeah, that's a good boy. Come here. That's a good boy. He's a good boy. Here's my Mr. Furley. Give me paw. Sit down and give mommy paw. You give me paw, but you can't see it for the... That's a good boy. That's a good boy. He still don't like the man being here.